Hello guys, today we're going to talking about very basic things in the Google Ads. If you don't understand on these type of basic things, then you cannot understand exactly the Google Ads. So that is keywords. So we will understand each and everything about keywords and very basic things about keywords. So let's get started. So at first we will understand what is keywords. So before we start, I need to open our browser so we can understand better. So keywords. So first we will understand keywords. So what is exactly keywords? Keywords. What is exactly keywords? Keywords is a terms or words which we set on the Google Ads uh, for uh, for possible search for the customer who will search in the Google search. That's called the keywords. So as a marketer, we'll set some words for uh, guessing or possible something that's will be search our customer in the futurely our Google search. That's called the keywords. And then we'll understand the search term. Search term. So search term is the things what people search on the Google. That's called the search term. If we understand two things very clearly, then as a uh, if someone search on the Google plumber in New York, this is the exactly search term. That is when someone search on the Google, that's called the search term. And if someone and as a marketer, if we go to our Google Ads account, then we can understand very well. As a marketer, we will set some words in we'll set some words and that is the keyword. We'll set some words in the Google Ads account for guessing or for the probabilities. We will set some possible words that might be searched in our targeted customer. That's called the keywords. So that's called the keywords. So, in the and also we'll understand negative keywords. Negative keywords. So, what is the negative keywords? Negative keywords is exactly the opposite sides of the keywords. We, as a marketer, we will set some words and uh, that do not. If someone search in the Google or app as this type of keywords, people do not see our ads. This is the exactly opposite sides. So if someone search in the Google plumber and I said negative, I as a marketer I said negative keywords as a plumber, then our ads will be not appear for this type of words. That's called the negative keywords. So that's the negative keywords, and there is a some types of keywords. There is some type of keywords. As a first, like low keywords. long tail keywords, short tail keywords and long tail keywords. So there are, by the base of the size, we can get two types of keywords: short tail keywords and long tail keywords. And if you see the name, you can understand very betterly the short tail keywords and long tail keywords. Basically, one or two uh, words uh, uh, called the short tail keywords. Like if you search in the Google, or if you set as a keywords plumber, this is the short tail keywords, or um, plumber in, and this is the short tail keywords. And plumber in Newark, I mean, uh, two plus at least three words is the long tail keywords. So you can and by the intent base, there is a two type intents: low intent keywords, high intent keywords. So uh, base of intent, there is a two types of keywords. That one is low intent keywords, and two is high intent keywords. So what is low intent keywords? Low intent keywords is that type of keywords uh, uh, that is we cannot understand properly the intent of the uh, customer or of the uh, visitors. So if someone searches the plumber only, then we can understand what he want to say. He will understand what is plumber, or he will try to understand, or he will try to um, find the plumber's plumbing service or something. We cannot not understand very clearly. But if someone search in the Google plumber in uh, near me, then we can understand that he needs a plumber in plumbing service. Or if someone searches the restaurant near me, that's why he wants to go to any restaurant, or he finding some restaurant. So we can say that his intent is clear. That's mean this is the high word intent type of keywords. And also by the uh, and also there is a three types of keywords. And that is one is informative keywords, two is buying intent keywords, and three is commercial intent keywords. So if we trying to write it, keywords, keywords. So there is a three types of keyword also. So information keywords. So what is the information type of keywords? So if someone search what is plumber, that's mean he wants to understand about plumbers, what exactly the plumbers. This is called the informative keywords. And if someone uh, search like any kind of brand, like Apple, Apple, or Samsung or something type of keywords. Uh, this is the commercial intent of keywords. And if someone search plumber in New York City or plumber near me, like this, his intent is clear that he wants to buy. That's called the buying of keywords. So, as a Google Ads expert, what type of keyword we will use? You can ask me now. So, as a Google Ads expert, we will run Google Ads for buying something or I source for selling something. So, as a Google Ads expert, we will always try to select buying type of keywords and very high intent type of keywords. I mean, very high intent buying type of keywords we will try to select because you can understand that if someone searching the Google plumber near me, that's when he wants to buy or he wants to take a service from the plumber. So if we set this type of keywords uh, then we will find exactly the high intent type of customer and very targeted customer if we have a plumbing business. So, so as a Google expert, we will trying to always find out the very high intent type of keywords or and buying keywords. So there is another things you have to understand very clearly. That is, if the buying intent keywords or high intent keywords is very long tail, and the long tail keywords search volume is very low, and short type of keywords, I mean short tail keywords, the search volume is very high because people do not want to write so much. But if someone search long tail keyword and very high intent and buying keywords, that's mean he needs exactly the services. So that's exactly we need because we need the very targeted customer. Because Google Ads, you know that Google Ads always cut cutting about every clicks. So if someone click in our ads and he is not our customer, then our budget will be cut down, but we are not benefited. So, as a marketer, we will always try that uh, try that very exactly customer, very targeted customer. So we have to select very carefully keywords because if we do not select uh, high intent buying keywords, then our customer will be irrelevant, and the irrelevant customer is just cutting our budget, but we do not get a result. So we need to very clearly take a very carefully take the keywords. Oh, there is another thing that is you can ask me. I said that search volume. So what is the search volume? What is the search volume means? Search volumes mean in a keywords how much time or how much times a search in a person. I mean, if we said that monthly search volume, that means in a month. If we select a keywords like plumber near me, oh shit, I'm human, man. I'm human. Okay, give me some time. So if we select plumbering near me, so in a month, how many times people search in the Google plumbering near me? That's called the search volume. So I think if you understand very clearly about your basics um, and uh, on the full course, all of the videos, we will talking lots of times the terms that is keywords high intent keywords, buying intent keywords. So you need to very clear about keywords, and this is very important things, and this is very basic things. So I hope you understand very clearly. I try to clear each and everything. If you even if you don't understand anything, or if you don't understand, if you feel any confusion about this video or any type of any things about Google Ads, you can comments in the comments. You can comments in the below of our videos, and also you can knock in the and also you can knock in our WhatsApp number. I will set this in the description, so you can knock each and any time for understand for ask me anything about Google Apps. So that's it today. Thanks for watching this video. I actually made the video for the business owners who are trying to run Google Ads by home. So if you are a business owner, I hope you will understand very betterly, and I hope you feel um, and understands try to understand about Google Ads. Thank you so much for watching my videos.